You know cybersecurity is an issue. Maybe your customer came to you and asked, "What are you doing with my information?" Or a regulator came to you and said, "Here, these are the rules that you need to follow." Or your board is asking how you're addressing it as a business risk. But where do you start? It's not your expertise, and you don't have the budget for a full-time CISO. That's where SideChannel comes in. We're not an army of consultants working from a playbook. We only have CISOs. We solve your cost constraints by making ourselves fractionally available to you, a virtual CISO. We sit on your side of the table, bringing years of experience gained in the public and private sectors, aligning security to your business needs. Our methods are simple. We determine your current profile. We measure your controls and relative effectiveness. Then we give you a plan to bring you to your target profile, and we help you execute it. Everyone should be thinking about security. We help you spend the right money on the right security.